So we used this Harbor Freight Chicago Electric Power Tools 10-inch tile cutting saw, and I rather liked it. I have an MK770 that I've had for 20 years, and I like that, but this thing here, the table slides nice and smoothly, and it will do a miter cut at 22.5 or 45 degrees. Then if you have to, the table, let me borrow this a second, will slide all the way forward so that, what's holding it?
That's the other line.
Oh, so you can freehand cut things on the blade too a little bit. It seems pretty well built. A lot of times what will happen is as you're running your tile through, the saw blade lifts up because the blade is spinning over the top of the tile, so it will lift up and start cutting an angle. And this one does not seem to do that. I don't know if it's because it has good framing on it or because it's got a 10-inch blade cutting at a greater speed than our 7-inch blade. But nonetheless, it does work well. One thing I noticed is that it has a separate reservoir here for the water pump, and the water pump reservoir will go dry before the main reservoir of the tank will, and I'm not sure why they have it set up that way. It might be to keep sediment out of the pump area, or the sediment gets in there, the fine stuff, but the debris, it may prevent the debris from getting into the pump. So that might just be a safety mechanism. So here is the tilt control, and here's a control for lifting the blade higher. Say like you're going to try and cut brick with it. It looks like you can cut brick in multiple steps. And what else? So yeah, anyway, I'm very happy with the thing. It is the Chicago Electric Power Tools 2.5 horsepower 10-inch industrial tile brick saw. So yeah, it will cut brick. 15 amps, 120 volts, 4,000 RPM. So I'm not a huge Harbor Freight fan, but this one I like, I gotta say.
It was $200.
200 bucks.
Plus a $30 blade
and
on sale.
$30 blade on sale. And the table is not included either. Okay, so that is my review, and that is from a professional standpoint because I do this for a living from time to time. Okay, so we will be grouting the floor tomorrow and cleaning before grouting, so we got a busy day tomorrow. All right, talk to you later.